In the Chinese social network Weibo lit technical characteristics of the Samsung Galaxy S10, and in sufficient detail. This is a modification of SMG 9700, intended for the local market. This is not to say that this list is something very surprised, but he put an end to several disputes at once. So let's go. First, this version of the Galaxy S10 is based on the Snapdragon 8150 mobile processor, SDM8150, which confirms the rumors about the numbering change of the top Qualcomm chipsets. It was expected earlier that this chip would be called Snapdragon 855. What is the ramming of the series connected with, so far is a mystery. The same list of characteristics from Weibo. The characteristics of the Snapdragon 8150 itself are known only approximately. It is reported that it includes 8 custom processor cores Cryo. Of these, the first 4 powerful gold are modified ARM Cortex-A76 with a frequency of 2.6 GHz, and the rest silver, modified Cortex-A55 at 1.7 GHz. Secondly, the screen of the Samsung Galaxy S10, apparently, practically does not differ from its predecessor, the same diagonal of 5.8 inches, the same resolution of 1440 x 2960 pixels, WQHD+, and the same type of matrix Super AMOLED. Most likely it will have a rectangular shape without cuts and curved side faces. Third, dual main camera. Around midsummer, it was rumored that the Galaxy S10 would get a triple camera. However, in the list of smartphone features on Weibo, only 2 modules are listed with a resolution of 12MP and 16MP. The aperture value is f/1.4 and f/1.9, respectively. Other moments. The Samsung Galaxy S10 front camera is worth mentioning. According to data from Weibo, it is also double and includes a pair of sensors with a resolution of 16MP, aperture f/1.9, and 8MP, aperture f/1.9. The principle of its work is not quite clear. Perhaps the second 8-megapixel module is responsible for measuring the depth of space. Now a few rumors. Rumor has it that the 10th Galaxy will receive a 3-dimensional face scanner like the Apple iPhone XS and Huawei Mate 20 Pro. It will be based on an infrared emitter, suggesting a grid of 45,000 points which are then read using the front camera. Whether this is true or not is yet to be verified. Returning to the discussed leak. In terms of battery capacity, the Galaxy S10 does not greatly exceed its predecessor, 3190 mAh versus 3000 mAh. To charge your smartphone and synchronize data using the USB Type-C port. Apparently, it also supports connecting external OTG devices. The amount of RAM is 6 GB. It is not clear whether the version of the Samsung Galaxy S10, which has 8 GB of RAM, will be released, and all the more it is known whether it will be a new type of LPDDR5 or the already familiar LPDDR4X built-in memory. There are only 128 GB. Probably there is the possibility of expansion. Completes this list, the operating system Android 9.0 Pie. At the moment, Koreans are already testing the corresponding update for the Galaxy S9 and Note 9, and it uses the new version of the Samsung Experience 10 shell. Apparently, it will be installed on the Galaxy S10. Specifications: Samsung Galaxy S10, SMG 9700. Some of the parameters are filled based on the Weibo leak mentioned above, some are based on information from other sources. In any case, the list does not claim 100% accuracy and is published solely for informational purposes. Platform: chipset Qualcomm Snapdragon 8150, SDM8150, octa-core, 4X Cryo 4XX Gold at 2.60 GHz processor, derived from ARM Cortex-A76, 4X Cryo 4XX Silver at 1.70 GHz, derived from ARM Cortex-A55, 64-bit graphics, Adreno 650 at 650 MHz, technical process, 7nm FinFET memory, RAM, 6 GB, LPDDR4, quad channel, flash, 128 GB, UFS 2.1, memory card, microSD, up to 512 GB, screen, resolution, 1440 x 2960, wide QHD+, aspect ratio, 9 to 18.5, screen type, Super AMOLED, diagonal, 5.80 inches. Screen area, 84.8 square centimeters, pixel density 570 ppi, protection shock-proof protective glass Corning Gorilla, Glass 6, curved side faces, communication standards, GSM, CDMA, UMTS, TD-SCDMA, LTE, 5G, support 5G, up to 5 Gbps, support LTE, Category 21DL, Category 18L, LTE speed, 1400 Mbps, data download, 200 Mbps, data transfer, the number of SIM cards, 1.2, type of SIM cards, Nano SIM, Wi-Fi, IEEE 802.11, 2.4 GHz plus 5.0 GHz, hotspot, DLNA, Wi-Fi Direct, Bluetooth, B 5.0, navigation, GPS, AGPS, GLONASS, Baidu, Galileo, barometer, vibrating motor.